How to restore your deleted contacts from WhatsApp. Tutorial: you open WhatsApp and suddenly half your contacts are gone. No names, just phone numbers staring back at you, and you have absolutely no idea who is who. Before you panic, I want you to know that in most cases your contacts are not actually gone forever. There are ways to get them back, and I am going to walk you through every single method right now step by step so you can recover everything as fast as possible. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering how to restore deleted contacts from WhatsApp, and I am going to give you multiple methods so no matter what situation you are in, whether you accidentally deleted contacts, switched phones, or something just went wrong after an update, you will have a solution that works for you. This works for both iPhone and Android users. Let's get straight into it. Step 1: before trying anything else, check whether your contacts are actually deleted or just not syncing properly with WhatsApp. Open your phone's default contacts app and look through it. WhatsApp pulls contact names directly from your phone's contacts list. It does not store them independently. So if your contacts still exist in your phone's contacts app, all you need to do is open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Contacts, and hit refresh. This alone fixes the problem for a large number of people and takes about 10 seconds. Step 2: if your contacts are missing from your phone's contacts app as well, the next thing to check is Google Contacts Sync if you are on Android. Open your phone's settings, go to Accounts, tap on your Google account and make sure Contacts Sync is turned on. If it was previously enabled, your contacts may already be backed up to Google's servers without you even knowing it. Once Sync is turned on and your phone connects, your contacts should begin restoring automatically within a few minutes. Step 3: if you are on Android and the sync did not bring everything back, go directly to contacts.google.com from any browser on your phone or computer and log into the same Google account linked to your Android device. Once you are inside Google Contacts, look in the left side menu for an option called Trash or Bin. Google Contacts keeps deleted contacts in the trash for up to 30 days before permanently removing them. If your contacts are sitting in there, select them and tap Recover to restore them straight back to your phone. Step 4: if you are on iPhone, your contacts are likely backed up through iCloud. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name at the top, select iCloud, and make sure the contacts toggle is switched on and actively syncing. If it was turned off, enable it and give it a few minutes to pull your contacts back from iCloud servers. Once they are restored to your iPhone contacts, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Contacts, and hit refresh to make them appear inside WhatsApp again. Step 5: if iCloud Sync did not resolve it on iPhone, you can try restoring contacts through iCloud.com directly. Open a browser, go to iCloud.com, and log in with your Apple ID. From the main menu, tap on Contacts and check whether your contacts are visible there. If they are showing on iCloud but not on your phone, the issue is a sync problem rather than actual deletion. Toggling iCloud contacts often back on inside your iPhone settings usually forces everything to resync properly. Step 6: if none of the sync methods are working, your next option is to restore from a WhatsApp backup. This applies if you had automatic backups enabled before the contacts were lost. On Android, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup, and check when your last backup was created. If a recent backup exists, you can uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from the Play Store, verify your phone number, and when prompted, choose Restore from the backup. This brings back your full chat history along with all the contact information stored within those conversations. Step 7: on iPhone, the process is similar but works through iCloud. Go to Settings inside WhatsApp, tap Chats, then Chat Backup, and check your iCloud backup status. If a backup is available, uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from the App Store, verify your number, and restore from the iCloud backup when the option appears during setup. Keep in mind that restoring from a backup will replace your current chat data with whatever was saved at the time of that backup, so make sure you understand that trade-off before proceeding. Step 8: if you have tried everything and your contacts are still not coming back, your last option is to reach out to the people directly and ask them to message you first on WhatsApp. Once someone messages you, their contact information becomes visible in that conversation, and you can save it fresh from there. It is not the most glamorous solution, but it is a reliable